Alright, I don't think any of these plants have ever been outside at all. I grew all of these from seed and they've all been in my grow tent the whole time. So I'm probably going to take all of this stuff out. Pretty much anything that's going to end up outside, I'm going to bring outside. It's probably about 60 degrees out there today. It's kind of a cloudy day. Sun might peek through a little bit, but put them out on the back porch and see how they do. It started raining right and I started doing this, but it shouldn't be going for very long. There we go. Now the sun's coming out and the rain's going away, finally. Okay, I got everything out here. Gonna let it sit there for, I'll check it every 15 minutes or so, make sure they're doing all right. But let me get a good shot of what everything looks like. All right, got everything up here. Gonna let it hang out for a little bit. See if I can get a little bit higher. There we go. So that's everything. Hopefully it does okay out here for a little while because that was exhausting, bringing that up and down the stairs. All right guys, yesterday I'm sitting at home, my dogs just kept freaking out. And I look over and they're freaking out at this neighbor's new dog. And I was like, all day, I'm like, man, that's a weird looking dog. And so finally I came out to check out their new dog. Guys, it's a pig with a collar on. They're pig sitting. They're pig sitting right now. That's a real life pig with a collar on, and it's house trained and everything. How cool is that? It was oinking at my dog, so they were freaking out yesterday. Come here, little buddy. Yeah, there you go. Hi. Hi. How are you, little one? You're a pig. It's like a real life pig. I get to play with you until Sunday. You're just like a puppy. You're just a puppy. I'll bring you some food later, okay? Guys, that's really a pig. It's like Babe is next door. He's got a little curly tail and everything. All right, if you're anything like me, then your tent is probably a disaster when you take everything out of it. There's gonna be dirt and there's gonna be moisture in there, leaves all over the place, dead leaves. So what I'm gonna do is use this opportunity to pull this stuff out of there. This is just stuff that's probably gonna stay in here for the whole summer. I'm gonna pull this stuff out, kick that fan on, dry everything out on the inside, sweep it up real nice, and make sure it's ready for the plants to come back inside. Forgot a broom. All right, let's do this. All right, much better. So now that that's clean, I'm gonna go check on the plants, see how they're doing. Okay, so far they're looking good. Sun's finally starting to come out a little bit. Not seeing any wilting or anything. I'm gonna keep them out here for a little while longer. I don't want to keep them out too long. This is their first time in the sun. Okay, it's been a good half hour, 45 minutes. The sun is out in full force now. It's beating down pretty good. It's probably 70 degrees out here. And I don't want to overdo it for their first time out. So they are going back downstairs. Okay, I got everything back in the tent. Everything's good to go. I didn't kill anything. They sat out there for a half hour, 45 minutes, and they did great. I'm sure they loved it. Really can't wait to get them all out there permanently because it's going to suck getting these hardened off because that's a lot of work. That was probably 2 hours worth of running around for just that amount of time of them being in the sun. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching. Appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time.